Meaning of intimidating.
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 Intimidating. The term intimidating refers to something or someone that causes fear, apprehension, or uneasiness. It can be used to describe a situation, behavior, or individual that exudes power or dominance and evokes a sense of intimidation in others. Intimidation can manifest itself in many different ways, such as through physical threats, verbal aggression, or emotional manipulation. Overall, the word intimidating is often used to convey a sense of danger or discomfort in a given context.